Why would one opt to take a basic driver improvement course? You must complete a basic driver improvement course, traffic collision avoidance course, * if you want to retain your driver license in the following circumstances. 1. You were a driver in a crash and are found at fault and someone was transported to the hospital. 2. You had 2 crashes in a 2-year period, which resulted in property damage greater than $500. You were convicted of 1. Running a red light. 2. Passing a school bus when it displayed a stopped signal. 3. Racing on the highway. 4. Reckless driving. If you receive a ticket for a non-criminal moving violation, and you do not hold a CDL, you may elect to attend a basic driver improvement course in lieu of points on your driving record. You may not elect to attend if you were charged with exceeding the speed limit by more than 30 miles per hour. An individual who elects to attend a basic driver improvement course for a non-criminal traffic citation will receive an 18% reduction toward the civil penalty. In some cases, you may choose to attend a course to receive insurance discounts. This discount is solely at the discretion of your insurance company.